A few people have said to me, what on earth is that black pipe and the yellow thing on top of it? And they'd spotted it on the boat when I was down in Cornwall. Basically, it's my answer to a camera mount. What I had was one of the Ram, I call them rocket launchers, but you know, this type of rod rest. Okay, pop your rod in there. It's got the universal joint at the bottom, which makes it quite nice. And the black piece in there is just a piece of 2-inch drain pipe. And where you see it slightly swollen there, I'm wobbling about in a kayak. Where you see it slightly swollen there, I heated that up with hot water and pushed in the yellow bit, and that's one of those GoPro mounts. It's not a genuine GoPro one, it's a cheapie. It's called a floaty, but I pushed that in, so it should provide some flotation, but I have tied it on here, as you can see, which hopefully makes it a bit more secure. So you've got a fair amount there of articulation. You know, you can get your camera sort of side on, you can get it quite high above your head and things. So that's my take on a camera mount on the Kayak. See, it works for me, it's cheap. That's a common theme about me, and it works for me. And I know you can get those Railblazer ones with about 3 different universal joints and things, and you can really, you know, kind of position them behind yourself and above and everything. But they're a bit pricey. Yeah, they're a bit pricey. So a bit of old drain pipe in the shed, and an old floaty that I wasn't using anymore, and the mount I had anyway, the Ram mount, and I use those on the boat too. Just makes you a nice cheap mount for your camera, GoPro special. So anyway, hopefully that's helped you a bit, and maybe you want to make one yourself, similar sort of thing. All works, all keeps it cheap, doesn't it? It's all part of the fun, isn't it?